God damn it, disconnected. Ah! It's because I started recording. Oh, what am I at? I'm in infected mode again.
Exit out and go back into race mode.
Oh, hey. I'm gonna win this race, Trey. Oh, yeah, that was. What? It's still counted down. Stop! Knock it off! Okay, where's it at? Is it up? Oh, god damn it, I missed it. No!
Yeah, slow and steady wins the race.
Shut up. Shut up, okay, I get it. No, no! I crashed. Shut up. No, that funny.
I wasn't laughing, but
I think you were laughing.
I wasn't.
You were laughing in my I almost said humidity. You're laughing in my suspense.
Oh,
9. Oh yeah, I'm gonna. Who's Cupcake? I think it's funnier when somebody we know is also playing. For instance, Michael. And other Michael? Which other Michael do we know? Ow! Like you just hear a high back. But it's like a really deep ass voice. Boy. No, 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 no! Oh, drop! I'm gonna get the drop.
No, I fell.
I got the drop. I've got 10 coins.
It's okay, I'm winning.
I see you, Drake. What are you doing? On my screen, you're upside down.
I'm driving.
You're upside down.
I'm driving.
No, you're upside down.
I'm driving.
You're driving upside down.
Okay. Why are you down there?
Down there.
No.
Down there. What the fuck, Trey? No. Go away.
Why?
You're a monster.
Go.
No, then. I'm gonna. Well, that'll never happen.
I don't know, my car's faster than you.
Oh, yeah? I won. If I can't win, I must kill you. I don't know where you're at. Oh, I see. Facebook login.
I'm level 17.
Okay, good for you. Oh, I can buy Blue Stripe. Fuck you. Are we doing the same map? No, wait, this is a different one. Oh, you're level 16. No. Oh, I flipped you. Eat shit.
Who's winning?
Me so far. Oh, God. Are you gonna join us, Michael? We're in race mode.
Yeah, fuck you.
No, you ass, you made me wheelie.
I don't know where this one's at. Oh, there it is.
Oh, shit.
Did you miss it?
Yeah.
This one's in the bag.
Shut up. Trey, you should let me catch up to you.
Why?
Because you're higher level.
It's a race.
And you're higher level.
And it's a race.
You're higher level.
It's a race.
It's right, you're higher level. Just see some dickhead fucking driving fast on the ground.
Where are you?
I'm fucking all the way up here.
You're still up there?
Yes, I just got the checkpoint. Look how many I have. Shut up. I'm doing better than Michael.
Let me catch up.
No, let me catch up, you dickhead.
I was, but you called me a dickhead.
I'm sorry, Trey, you're not a dickhead. Oh, ah! So is this just gonna be like silent gaming now, Trey?
Yeah, I guess.
I don't think Michael's gonna come in.
I don't think so either.
Yeah.
Michael does what he does.
Yeah. Oh, hey, Michael. Not listening to me, Trey.
I almost did what you did.
Did you hear that? As I continue to play, Trey, I am evolving.
Oh, are you?
Oh, yeah. Look, it's time to catch up.
Really?
I'm just 5 behind you. No big deal. Ah!
What happened?
I was like somewhat close to drifting off. Yeah. So I was watching Family Guy, and
What?
and it was that
Thank
episode
you.
where Chris got a job
Thank you.
from Quagmire, and he was like, and when he told him to take the rest of the day off, he was like, "Why don't you jerk the rest of the day off?"
Thank you. Ah, 26 pitch.
Ah, damn it. Hey, Michael, how come you wanted to delete the intro? Or how come you deleted the intro? Oh, how did it turn out?
You fucking stupid.